Introducing the Smart IR Remote Controller, the ultimate solution for controlling all your electronic devices with just a touch of your smartphone. With its infrared technology, this controller allows you to effortlessly manage your air conditioners, TVs, fans, DVD players, set-top boxes, and more. But that's not all. This controller is compatible with Alexa and Google Home, enabling easy voice control. Simply say the command, like, "Next channel on TV," and let your smart assistant do the work. It's also widely compatible with a range of devices, and you can find the complete list in the Smart Life app. Convenience is at your fingertips with the Tuya Smart app, which enables remote control of your home appliances from anywhere, at any time. Now you can switch on your air conditioner in advance, ensuring a comfortable temperature when you arrive home. And if your appliance brand is not in the list or not supported, no worries. The DIY learning function allows you to copy the same function from the original IR remote and control any device. Installation is a breeze. After power up using the USB cable, simply search for the controller automatically through the Tuya Smart or Smart Life app via Bluetooth. Please note that it only supports a 2.4G Wi-Fi network and does not support 5G. Please keep in mind that products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US, and compatibility may vary internationally. So, don't forget to check before purchasing. Experience the convenience and control of the Smart IR Remote Controller. Get yours now by clicking the link in the description.